What is data? Data is information. It's facts, numbers, text, images, and observations that describe the world around us. Right now, every tap on your phone, every website you visit, every purchase you make, all of it creates data. In fact, the world generates 2.5 quintillion bytes of data every single day. There are two main types. Structured data is organized, like rows in a spreadsheet or records in a database. Unstructured data has no fixed format. Think emails, photos, videos, and social media posts. Data has a life cycle. It gets collected from sensors, users, and systems, stored in databases or data lakes, processed and cleaned, analyzed to find patterns, and finally visualized to reveal insights. Why does data matter? It drives business decisions, powers artificial intelligence, advances medicine and healthcare, and enables scientific discovery. Data is often called the new oil. Just like oil fueled the Industrial Revolution, data is fueling the digital revolution. From your morning alarm to space exploration, data shapes everything around us. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for more content like this.